Welcome to my channel. Today we will read a speech on Kashmir Day. Today we gather to observe Kashmir Day, a day of solidarity with the people of Kashmir who have been struggling for their freedom and self-determination for over 7 decades. As we stand here, we remember the sacrifices of the Kashmiri people and reaffirm our commitment to their just cause. The Kashmir dispute dates back to 1947 when India and Pakistan gained independence from British colonial rule. The princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, ruled by a Hindu king, was predominantly Muslim. As the Indian subcontinent was divided, the Kashmiri people were denied their right of self-determination. The Indian government, with the help of the British, annexed Kashmir, leading to a conflict that has continued to this day. For over 70 years, the Kashmiri people have been fighting for their freedom and the right to determine their own future. They have faced severe repression, human rights abuses, and violence at the hands of Indian security forces. Despite the odds, the Kashmiri people remain committed to their cause, and their struggle continues to inspire people around the world. The human rights situation in Kashmir is alarming. Thousands of Kashmiris have been killed, injured, or disappeared. Women have been raped and children have been orphaned. The Indian security forces have used pellet guns, tear gas, and live ammunition to suppress peaceful protests. The Kashmiri people have been denied their basic rights, including the right to freedom of speech, assembly, and movement. The international community has a crucial role to play in resolving the Kashmir dispute. The United Nations has passed several resolutions calling for a plebiscite to be held in Kashmir, allowing the people to decide their own future. However, these resolutions remain unimplemented due to India's refusal to comply. It is time for the international community to take concrete steps to pressure India to respect the rights of the Kashmiri people. Pakistan has always stood by the Kashmiri people and has been a vocal advocate for their rights. We have constantly supported the Kashmiri people's struggle for self-determination and have called for a peaceful resolution to the dispute. Pakistan will continue to extend its full support to the Kashmiri people until they achieve their freedom. India has a responsibility to uphold its commitments to the Kashmiri people. It must respect their right to self determination and allow them to decide their own future. India must also stop its human rights abuses in Kashmir and hold its security forces accountable for their actions. We must continue to raise our voices for the Kashmiri people and demand that their rights be respected. We must call on our leaders to take concrete steps to resolve the Kashmir dispute. We must also support the Kashmiri people's struggle for self determination and freedom. As we observe Kashmir Day, we pay tribute to the sacrifices of the Kashmiri people and reaffirm our commitment to their just cause. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.